I'm ready for part one. Alright, no one touch the camera, no one come near here, alright? Let's go. Let's go, let's go. I'm ready, bro.
Hello students in Mr. Valentine's AP Bio class. Hope you had a great summer because class is now in session. Number 1 is adaptation of an animal. I used the snake, seeing that it camouflages perfectly well with the surroundings, seeing that it took time to evolve and adapt to its area. Number 2 is adaptation of a plant. Notice how the plant has strange, kind of fuzzy-like features. Those are actually seeds that allow easy dispersal within the wind. Number 3 is animal with a segmented body. I used a caterpillar over here to see within the example. It's quite segmented, and it's a very good example if you want to see it. Number 4 is asexual reproduction. This one's actually pretty straightforward. Flowers can't do birds and the bees, children. They can only do the bees. Number 5 is canned plants. The most common of them would be the pineapple, seeing my Frankenstein example over here, since we didn't have a full one in the house I was staying in. Oh, I had to suffice. Number 6 is dominant versus recessive phenotypes. Quite an obvious example is that green eyes or the recessive phenotypes mean there's not as common as the dominant brown eyes. My eyes are brown, my cousin's eyes are green. You see that. Number 7 is the exoskeleton. I used the beetle over there because, well, they have quite obvious exoskeletons. They kind of look like suits of armor that to be wearing around all the time, giving them the hard texture feel that you get when you grab them. Genetic variation within a population makes number 8 in this list. You can tell within the examples I have 2 birds I have within 25 feet away from each other. GMOs, you either love them or hate them. Making 9 on our list is a GMO. I have an apple here to be a great example of GMOs, since they're usually injected with them to give them that nice shiny complexion. Number 10, lichen. Lichen is a moss-like substance that grows upon trees or rocks or whatnot. It's actually pretty cool to look at, and that's about it. Number 11 is a long day plant. You can tell with these flowers here, they only really spawn somewhere around in the summertime, making them a very good long day plant. Number 12 is mating behavior. This one's a kind of tricky one if you gotta know your peeps and squeaks and whatnot to listen to this one. So I played a little clip with audio, just gotta listen very carefully to it. You'll hear the squirrel now. Making number 13 is the modified leaf of a plant. Who doesn't like the prickly feel of a plant or cactus or whatnot? These are actually modified leaves and leaves to hold water and to keep them well and suffice within the desert environments. Number 14 is the modified root of the plant. You notice that these roots are spidering all over the place. This actually helps the plant not only stay in place, but also to get passing nutrients in the streams and currents. Number 15 is the modified stem of a plant, roses. Sign of love, sign of pain. The thorns that prickle you, they're actually used as a specialized defense against animals so they won't munch on them. Number 16 is a niche. From these rocks and moss and whatnot you can see schools of fish swimming around in an ecosystem. The same ecosystem teeming with parasites and snakes. Number 17 is parasitism. Yes, ladies and gents, that is a legit mosquito I allowed on my leg for this very thing, showing I have true dedication. Making number 18 on our list is pollen. You don't see it? It's that yellowy powdery stuff on the top. Come on, use your eyes, man. I'm quite disappointed. Making number 19 on our list is pollinator. No, staying away from the most iconic pollinator, the bee, I decided to use the most efficient one, the fly, on the flower, which kind of rhymes. Could be a rap song, fly, on the flower, fly. Number 20 is population. I decided to use a wonderful skyline shot of Memphis City. Yeah, besides the blues, it's pretty good. Number 21 is predation. Oh, well, pretty straightforward. Spider eats bug, bug doesn't want to get eaten, bug gets eaten anyways. Poor fellow. Hope that never happens to me. Number 22, Sea Dispersal. Dandelions are the most iconic thing that you can ever use to show an example of sea dispersal. You just gotta blow in it, seeds all over the place, plant in your lawn, you got dandelions problem. Number 23, Succession. No, we're not talking about Civil War succession, people. We're talking about the act of following in order sequence. In this one, the planting of a cucumber in a very corny sequence. Number 24, Territorial Behavior. This dog really does hate me because I got really close to him and, well, bet if he got out, he would have bit my face off. Cute dog. Number 25 is Introduced Species. Horses are introduced species in the North America Peninsula, making it a wonderful, most iconic animal to use. And yeah, this is my top 25 AP Bio list that I showed from Miss Valentine's class. I really hope you liked it. Miss Valentine, please give me an A for this. And yeah, like, subscribe, and you get to see more funny, sarcastic comments that I make all the time. Peace!